Hello friends, welcome to the IMP Getting channel. My name is Angifar.
Hi, I'm Winton from Bharat.
Today, we are diving into the exciting world of digital marketing. In this video, we will break down what digital marketing is,
Its key component and how it can help businesses thrive in the modern age and many more. So let's jump right. Digital marketing conveys a range of strategies and techniques aimed at promoting products, services, or brands using digital channels. These channels include search engines, social media platforms, emails, websites, and more. Essentially, it is all about leveraging the power of the internet to reach and engage with your target audience.
Talking next, one of the important pillars of digital marketing is search engine optimization or SEO. This involves optimizing your website content to rank higher on search engine result pages. By using relevant keywords, creating high quality content, and improving your website user experience, you can attract organic traffic and increase your online business.
Another important component is social media marketing. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn are also tools to connect with your audience, share valuable content, and run targeted ad campaigns. Social media helps you to build a community around your brands and upholds meaningful interactions.
Pay-per-click advertising or PPC is a method where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. This type of advertising is common on search engines and social media platforms. It's a great way to quickly generate traffic and can be highly targeted to a specific demographic.
Behind every successful digital marketing campaign, there is a team of dedicated professionals, from content creators and graphic designers to data analysts and strategists. Collaboration is the key to developing effective and cohesive campaigns over digital.
Coming to the benefits of digital marketing over traditional marketing, we have cost effectiveness, visible result, global reach, personalization, targeted audience, and ultimately higher conversion.
How can one make a career in digital marketing? You can start by getting digital marketing certification from a prestigious institute. One such program is offered by the IoT Academy, where A to Z digital marketing is covered, and they also teach you how to leverage ChatGPT for SEO and SEO.
Familiarize yourself with various digital marketing channels such as social media, search engine optimization, pay-per-click, content marketing, email marketing, and analytics.
To gain hands-on experience and build your portfolio, you can start with internships, entry-level positions in digital marketing, or you can experiment with personal projects such as creating your own blogs, managing social media accounts to demonstrate your skill.
Lastly, the digital marketing landscape evolves rapidly, so it's crucial to stay updated on the latest trends.
Let's come to the salary part of digital marketing. The salary of a DM presser is on average at 4 to 5 NP. The salary of DM specialist ranges from 7 to 10 LP. And lastly, a digital marketing manager earns more than 12 LPA per an average.
Are you ready to embark on a journey that fuse innovation, strategy, and technology? To do that, you can join the IoT Academy Professional Digital Definition course. In the IoT Academy, we navigate the exciting world of digital marketing and unlock the universe of opportunities.
Stay updated with our digital marketing series, in which we will explore the multiple aspects of digital marketing. If you liked our video, then please subscribe to us, press the bell icon for new updates, comment down below what you want us to cover in our next video.